Welcome back to the show, guys. My name is Low Key Bunny, and today's date is April 25th, 2024. And we are going to be actually jumping back into the meme coin market and seeing if the market's going to be generous with us today, you know? As I start to trade more and more and more on a day-to-day basis, I start to see these patterns, I start to see what drives the market. It allows me to understand pullback. Basically, at the end of the day, a lot of shit that didn't really make sense beforehand. It just sounded like a bunch of wah, 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 wah. You know, mixed in with Leonardo DiCaprio memes from Wall Street. Like, I'm gonna be honest with you, man. Like, fucking, I don't know. Shit. But what I do know, right, is the market is literally booming. Okay, booming, literally booming. So let's go into Dex Screener. I'm gonna go into Dex Screener, and I want to be able to pull up a couple different pairs. We're gonna be trading right now, and yeah, man, I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm simply, again, a guy that just enjoys understanding leverage, understanding liquidity, understanding market cap, understanding indicators, understanding everything that needs to happen in layman's terms to be able to dictate when to get in and get out and profit. So that way you can essentially make money from your money and live a very financial free life. That's a goal for all of us, really, it comes down to it. Some channels have said at the end of the day that they believe that this market is shit, that meme coins are dead. I do not believe that. I believe meme coins are in. You can see by how much volume that's being pumped by literally shit coins. Now, whether you're able to make money or not, that depends on you. Because a lot of times, well, we have this gamble-like mentality. You know? Sorry, my chair is fucking low-key broken. I'm too cheap to fucking go buy another one. The only thing is because when you buy these chairs and shit, they don't come pre-assembled. So I just feel like lazy to go ahead and reassemble up a whole nother chair. I might just get like a used situation. Anyways, like I was saying, though, the market needs to be generous. We need to go in there, find our pairs. We need to do some research, find out on the rug website that we use, Rug Check XYZ, which is shout out to them. We need to find out a little bit more information about who's holding what. Let's do our homework, man. So let's get right into it, guys. It's not no more time wasted, as they say. Okay. So we're back. No Diddy. No Diddy is going to be the new term for 2024. This man. Oh, anyways, let's get into crypto, guys. So right now, I'm looking for something that is going to have a market cap, of a high market cap. I want to see it, which is basically just launched 7 hours ago. Liquidity 162,000. Let's look and see exactly. This is a 1 minute chart. Obviously, we got some pumping. We don't got too much information here, though. That tells us about, well, shit, everything is, and the top 10 holders is 18.75, so that's not looking too good. I think they like to see it at least like 12% or so. That's like the rule of thumb, at least of what I've seen. But anyways, it's too soon to tell really when it comes to this pair. It's kind of risky, but let's just see what type of options we have on the table. We have another one that was created 3 hours ago, 3 hours and 40 minutes ago. This is BTC meme coin. It's got a market cap of $2 million. $149,000 of liquidity in this bad boy here. Transactions right now are currently, we have like some sales, 1.3 positions, 4,892. So the money's getting taken out. I mean, sold. Buys are happening. We had a 1.6K buy. So we'll look like we're going into a downtrend. We had pretty much a slow start, and then all of a sudden it was a crazy fucking pump. So whoever bought right here, damn. You know what I'm saying? Like, you know, and that's the thing about this shit. It's like, literally, I'm telling you guys, this shit happens literally every day. That's how I know the money's here, the volume's here. Literally, you can see it, you know, right here in front of us. This represents volume. This is a trade that is going somewhere. At least it's going down or up. Right now, right, it's definitely going down. But I don't think it's like completely going down. I think that someone put a shitload of fucking money in it in the beginning here, like a shitload of money, and it pumped it so fucking high, and then from that point on, it was having its down drops, but it's pretty much living that, like, And the thing about it is, the coin is super new, right? So you got all this volume in it right now, and people trying to make money off of like catching either this wave or here. So if you're coming into this trade right now, you don't want to come in on it at all when it's like right here, like the support line. Let's just do some homework right here. Let's just do some homework. Not that we're gonna go into this trade, but let's do some homework, and just so we can understand support lines, resistance, and all that cool ass shit. So I will say right here, do another one right there. So right here to right there. I'm gonna fix this line a little bit here. All right, right there. So a couple things we're gonna look at here. And then, of course, we still got to go to rug check to do our homework. We're looking at 21% currently top 10 holders, which is not looking kind of good, to be honest with you. I'm going to be honest with you. Not looking good at all. But people are playing this game, and I think people realize that. People are looking at that, hoping that that number drops down to like a 16, 15% as they start to sell their positions. But that's what also makes like the market like act the way it acts. But anyway, we have this position here, this position, that's where it really should be right there. We haven't even got into our other indicators yet, which is like our RSIs and shit like that. But boom, 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 boom. Okay, so that's where it at. You can clearly see that this thing is giving us W's. Like W, it's like not a coincidence that this shit is happening. It's human nature. Ups, downs, up and downs, but it's going down on this trajectory. Slow. If you're a betting person, you need to buy down here. You know what I'm saying? So right now what we're seeing is a market that's trending down, and if I get to this type of resistance or support zone here, then I will happily buy, especially if the liquidity is above $80,000 and the market cap is still high. I might go into that trade. 21%, 21.90% does sound scary though as far as the top 10 holders. Let's dive a little bit deeper into this actual token on reg check to see, you know, what type of information we're getting here. So I'll paste that, check risk. All right, so it's good. Wow, the settlement of the community is crazy. It got like 100%. To log in token to higher rate, blah, 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 balance. Okay, let's connect the wallet here to rug check here. But be careful just connecting your wallet in general to any type of dApp. Like honestly, like after the shit that I've been through, like I'm telling you, man, you can't even trust these dApps long. I'm not saying that you can't trust this one, but bro, I've seen the weirdest shit happen by just connected to dApp. So, you know, it is what it is. But am I able to log into this motherfucker or what? Some technical difficulties. Alright, fuck it. Anyways, we'll go back here. Am I able to log in now? Oh, it wants to connect. Okay, cool. Alright, yeah, so like, here we go. Connect. Confirm. Alright, I'm in. So community settlement. People are really fucking feeling this shit. Wow. Well, it seems like it's a good token. The low amount. So there's two things to notice though. There's low amount of LP providers, liquidity providers. Immutable token, which means that the owner has the ability to essentially rug this shit at any point. Let's just be completely honest. This is the games we're playing in here. We're tokenizing the Satoshi Pump.fun, whatever the fuck it's called, at 9 cents per the dollar. Holy shit, my bad, people. So yeah, so this thing is pumping right now. Now let's go back to the market and see exactly where we're at right now. So we got quite a lot of money coming out, quite a lot of money going in. But what I would say is right now the trade is pretty volatile. I mean, at any point it could go any way, right? The thing is, we have volume. You know, the main thing is volume is what's going to help move this thing on. Now, how long this volume is going to be here, I don't know. I mean, it is a meme token, and we are talking about Bitcoin. So for Solana chain to be memeing Bitcoin off of this whole Satoshi Pump Moto thing sounds pretty cool. You know, like meme-ish, obviously. I wonder if there's a community for them. Let me see if I can find a community. I never can find sometimes these communities, which is crazy. I'll paste the actual address sometimes to find it, but here we go. We got Satoshi Pumpto. Okay, cool. X. Here we go. So 545 followers. Okay. All right. So yeah, like this is definitely the project I'm in. So the community is definitely well aware and definitely pumping shilling, as they say. Okay, they got the little fucking frog there. Like, okay, let's gamble. Let's freaking go back to back. All right, I see what y'all doing. Interesting. Satoshi Pumpamoto, whatever. Okay, so then they have a website as well, right? Meet the new Satoshi Pumpamoto. Wow. Okay, so looks like their Telegram, their community is Telegram, and which is 183 subscribers. Okay, looks like, look at them go. Gotta catch them all like Pokemon and shit. Throw this shit up on there real quick. So if we could see, this is their Telegram right now, where they're just shilling the shit out. You know, but I'm not sure. I'm not sure these are real likes or if they're not real likes. But you know, we are in the midst of finding out. So the community here is absolutely looking like they're backing this. Now the question of the matter is, though, is the market being, well, the market's always being like, let's just say it's being manipulated. Okay, the market is always being manipulated by just random whales, just try to dictate the price, and that sometimes just can't be stopped. And that happens a lot of times when you have breakout points. Like, for example, let's say if this guy here, this green one right here, that's kind of coming in and started to shoot the fuck right up all of a sudden, right? That could be potentially, it could be potentially a fake, like pump fake, essentially. You know, and what I mean by that is, it could be the whales or the holders, the top 10 holders, trying to fake the market out, and then all of a sudden giving them the ability to raise their position so they can make, you know, a lot more money and then be able to sell their holdings. So it's really a greedy game in this motherfucker. It's greedy as fuck. You know what I'm saying? Like crazy as fuck. And this market, I don't think, I mean, it's aggressive, and it can go, well, it can swing either way. You really gotta watch your liquidity here, and you gotta watch, you know, the devs. But nonetheless, it's 24 hours a day. It's ongoing. I don't see this really being able to be a, you know, profitable trade right now, just due to the fact that, well, let's just look at some of the indicators. Actually, I mean, I'm just looking from the bare eye, but let's just check out the RSI first, and I want to check out the average as well. That's usually the two things that I just care about. I always just care about the moving average, and then I usually try to say the moving average, I want it to be like at least you know, 2. So hold on, let me just go to average. So let's just change this up real quick, make it just like that, and let's put the strength at 20 length. Okay, cool. So with that being said, this is really helpful information now. So it's now, so all right, so let's just try to kind of dumb this down as fuck. So starting with the momentum right here, as you can see, it was crazy, their strength, and then we started to have some pullback to the point where it literally just plummeted, like right here to the first time right here at all, and now we're having a little bit of push up. And we might get into a bullish season, you know, but as you can see right now, it's going down.com, you know, and so the best bet is to make yourself some profit. If you're trying to make some profit on this, the best bet is to get in on it right down here. Like I said, if it gets to down here, I would need to see a pretty heavy drop here, but still the liquidity hold up, like get down to this point here. But we'll see. Again, the moving average is going to dictate whether this thing uprises. We might be in a situation where this might be the best time to buy, you know. If you look at it from a 5-minute candlestick, let's look at the 5. Kind of go back in here. Alright, so this is the 5-minute candle here, and so market definitely is trying to consolidate. It might go into a little bouncy. I don't foresee, unless there's some huge pumpage of the community, like I don't foresee it to do anything outside of it. I'm really at this point just waiting for an entry point with this. And to be quite honest with you, right now it just doesn't look good at all. You know, it's oversold right now. It's been oversold for the last quote unquote hour, for the last 30%. So to see that push up, inevitable. We're gonna get it though. We're gonna get it if there's enough volume, which is at the end of the day another question. But if there's enough volume, then you're gonna get a lot of push up. But we'll see. It's holding strong though. It's definitely holding a little bit strong. Let's put a little bit of this, a little bit of that in our little blunt. Let's get twisted a little bit real quick. But yeah, as I roll this up, I'm just looking for a good entry point right now. So far, it hasn't broke through my resistance. It's literally falling. It's kind of doing what I expect it to do. But hey, while this is going down, we can get into another pair. But at least the notes right here, and that's pretty much, I believe, like what the fuck traders do. I haven't been like trained in a sense as far as like from a teacher standpoint. I just pretty much jumped in and then learned and start learning with videos. Me particularly, like I like to do shorts, like YouTube shorts or whatever, because it's just like a lot of content crammed down into a little, and then just follow a whole bunch of those channels, and then on my breaks just give myself mental just like hits of just trading knowledge. That's my thing, but to each his own. So yeah, again, I'm still in the 5-minute candle with this sucker here. We're looking at a lot of sells. Money is still coming into this thing though. That's a fact. Ooh, sorry. It's definitely a fact. Right now, obviously, there's a little bit more money going out than there is coming in, but the liquidity is definitely holding at 91,000. Which is not bad. We could have a bullish time any second, but again, it's just too far out of the support zone. Like we wanted to get down here, and at that point, I'm not sure if we're gonna have enough liquidity or enough volume for that matter to push it up, but we'll see. But while this is doing this thing and it's selling and consolidating, I'm gonna go to another pair, just because I really just want to ride a solid wave, and we'll just do that. So let's go out of this one here. We got that first one on standby. Let's check out another one in the meanwhile, because again, the market is hot, guys. There's money all over the place. There's money to definitely be made. Profit. So let's see here. Let's go to this one right here. This is called Jerry. This is a coin that dropped not too long ago, as you can see here. Market cap $122,000, $21,000 in liquidity. I don't know. I could possibly snipe this right now. It just came off the shelf, but I don't know if it's got enough volume or not to hold. The money's kind of like literally dropping instantly. How this motherfucker like went from like 119,000 down to 114 almost like quick, and so people are selling these positions, panicking, trying to get out, and that's never a good sign. But yeah, that's a gamble, and I try not to too much get into gambles. I want to get into for sure things. So being patient, really observing the market is a good thing. And you also, like a lot of times, like right now I'm in like these pairs that are literally just created, but we can get into some like other shit too. Let's go to the created. Let's make sure that it's set up for like least max. So 23. Yeah, here we go. And we'll look for some money, man. Let's look for some freaking money. We want a high volume right now. 1.4 million. Okay, yeah, here we go. 24 hours ago, what is this? The Grummy Cat coin. Is there any volume in this? There's no volume. What the fuck? There's like no liquidity in this motherfucker. 8.4. Why would it show me that? See, these things literally don't last a day. Like literally, these ecosystems are not like NASDAQ. They're not gonna pump for like more than whatever. So you gotta get in, and you gotta see it for what it is. You want a high market cap. You want a lot of volume, and you want as much liquidity as possible. You know what I'm saying? Then it's all to the bank. SBZ Cat. What the fuck is this one here? Okay, so SBC Cat just came out like basically looks like a couple hours ago. This one's got $44,000 liquidity. And until this thing, let's go back to that first chart here again and see where we're at here. Just trying to make a little pump play right here. It's gonna sell its position. It's gonna go right down. See, it's gonna go right down. I knew it. But I mean, we're still waiting. I'll still get into here. If it gets down to here, like if we get like a really like sells, and we still holding tight on our liquidity, because again, this market right here is pretty bullish, but I do feel like it has the power to come back. I just don't think that right now is a good time to do it. Like I definitely would fix. Let me just fix my lines up a little bit. Like this one could come like right there, yeah. So if I get anything like around this line here, we're going in. We're going in. But right now, no. It's just, it's consolidating. It's consolidating. Give me just a hardcore drop though, for sure. And let it be the holders and let the market take over. But let's see here. We'll go back to this pair. And yeah, still not feeling that. No, I'm not feeling this one here. We got potential. Market is raising a little bit. You always, let's look at this real quick. I definitely want to check out this BT Cats and see exactly what's going behind the scenes with the token. At least it's good. We got a good community sentiment as well. Low amount of LP hold providers, so low liquidity is what it's saying. I mean, it is what it is. It's got 51,000. So, but the markets here don't give you too much information to really go off of, when it comes down to like just starting out, literally just started out. But you have opportunity to get some great deals, but you don't know at the end of the day what the market's gonna do with that. Like coming in here right now, you could have came in right here and kind of came in and made some profit. That's sniping right there. But to kind of be on the ready, essentially, it's like you got to do your homework pre-existingly before these things actually come out. That'll help you be able to kind of just be on the go and be like, all right, I'm just waiting for X, Y, and Z coin. Once it drops, boom, I'm going in like straight up, boom, with the X, Y, and Z order. Because I know it's going to be an X, Y, Z besides, But anyways, yeah, I'm not going to get into this because, again, this is like not giving me any type of information that I feel that'll work. This is an old one. I don't think this is even alive anymore. Where is it? Okay, let's see here. Okay, so this is another coin here. There's there's none. Yeah, there's no volume of this bitch. This shit, I'm a little confused to be honest with you. This is it's no liquidity. I'm so, where the fucking money go? Anyways, let me go back here. Maybe that was an old pair. But we're gonna go down here and try to find some more, something solid, just to 4 or 5% to 15%, and this is crazy because this is one of those only markets that you can really get in like this, get these type of numbers, and substantially, if you know what you're doing, keep it consistent. Like I'm telling you guys, so far that I've done the strategies that I've learned, I haven't really seen too much losses, and when a loss happens so far, and I know there will be future ones, but it wasn't like, damn, look at this. Sell. That shit crazy. Somebody got word on something. Yeah, man. Ooh, man. If you walk into a whole fucking room and you see sales like that, that's a rug. So, basically, the majority of the coin holders just sold a shitload of their coins off right now, and then the market just crashed. So, that's how quick they go sometimes, and that's just a unfortunate thing. But we're like an underground of the market, of the fucking, trading market. Let's go to trending pairs real quick and see if we got any type of trending pairs that'll work for us. Okay. So this Tom right here looks like it's pumping 5.1 million in volume. Okay. Created 8 hours. So you never know when these shit coins though, man. Like 8 hours ago. Now this thing right here. Interesting. It's trending. A cool amount of money in this sucker. Not gonna lie. But I don't know what the fuck it's gonna do. Let's deal with it. Let's figure out, what's our indicators, what's going on. First, check the rug. Just go ahead copy that shit. All right. Back to here, rug. Let's check this token. Never want to get too excited because you never know if there's manipulation going on, for real. So from the looks of it, it's saying it's good. Of course, low amounts of providers, but we're in DeFi. It is what it is. So Tom, it is potentially bulls on this situation. All right, so let's look at and see what's going on here. First thing first, before we drop any lines, let's look at some indicators. Moving average. We're gonna go ahead and look at that. Go ahead and check this out. Boom. Style. Let's go ahead and make it gold and bigger line. Make it 20. All right, and then we're gonna go ahead and also throw another indicator, which is gonna be my EMA. Actually, not my EMA, but what is it called? Moving average? No, just do the moving average. My bad. I'm tripping right now. I need to get my strength, RSI. Boom. Relative strength index. All right, cool. All right. So this is what we want to see. We want to see movement in here, and this is where it's looking like it's going up. And all right, cool. Well, that being said, we got volume here, we got RSI here. We're gonna go ahead and do some mapping and figuring out where our downshift and whatever it is. So here, and supports right here. Oops, we got support resistance right there. We're going in a, well, we don't even know what the fuck's going on. It might come up. I think it highly will come up. There's so much volume here. I think it's just gonna do this, honestly. Now, where to come in, man, should be a good question, because technically. All right, so with that being said, yeah, I feel better knowing that I got that graphed out appropriately. But all right, so we got two potential trades here that I set up. We got one here that hoping to get in this zone here. It's going down. Liquidity is staying consistent though, which means it's good. But get me into a slot which is, ooh, I see it. Y'all want to see that. If I get me something, I might get an entry point here. We'll see. But yeah, I think it's going to break through. I think it's going to break through. Let's just wait. It probably will break through. So right now what I'm trying to see is if it breaks through this area right here, right? And how long it's going to break through that area. Like, I'm going to set that up there. I want to make this. Oops. Damn it. I want to make this that color. So basically it's a game, and if this red goes through my golden floor, then I'm buying because it's gonna go up a little bit and I'm gonna make a little bit of profit because my resistance is below this line too. So I got my eyes on this one. That's where I'm going on that one. But with this one here, this Tom one, as you see, there's money in the market, $3.5 million cap, $192,000 liquidity. We're looking at like a bullish run right now. The volume is really good here. You can see the volume's pumping. Should you get in though? Where the fuck is the marker? Oh, right there. Okay, I change that a different color. This is. Right. I'm trying to see where the fuck the marker was. There's so much shit going on the screen. Okay, I see it right there. Okay, so yeah, I mean, this thing is definitely bullish. What trade looks more profitable? Or I would say definitely this one here. If I get down here and then I get a candle, I'm gonna go up with it. I could probably go up really high with that, actually, to be honest with you, if it decides to do that. Now this is have money in it, 1.19 million. It's potential. It's potential here though. We know with the market right here, it's going. It's like it was like a crazy big run, and then it was going down to the point where you got little to no resistance right here. Once you get in the zone, it's like, no resistance. If you got money though, it'll go up, period. It might take some time with the volume, but it'll go up. With this one though, on the other hand, we don't know what the fuck. It is consolidating. There's a lot of volume, so what it's telling us right now, especially with the moving average, is that it's going to go up. We're going to see this movement probably around somewhere at some point. Now, when to get in or how to get in, definitely would say that we need to look at a couple points here. One, we see the market right in this section here. Am I able to right the foot? I'm not sure why that's not working, but in this section and this section is where we have a breakthrough. We're looking like that possibly will happen here. I don't think there'll be a fake out because it looks like definitely a pump, but at the same token, this one has a lot more money in it too. A lot more money. So realistically speaking, now that I see another support line here, right there. I got too much shit on my screen. I think I need to clear some of this shit because honestly, hold on. All right. So let's clear some lines off the screen here. Reset. All right, so with that being said, I want to build one more support line here. We're gonna put it right here, and the support all the way to there. Okay, so the reason why I put that there is because we have a touching it. It's not letting me draw, so I don't know. My shit's slow. Fuck it. But anyways, let's go back. We do see some opportunities here, though. Definitely see some opportunities. Question is, which one do you think I should go into? Well, look at this one. Look at it going down. Come on, mosey on down here. Come on down. Hey, we ain't mad at you. Come on down. And this one right here, we're looking like it possibly can go up. I wouldn't buy this though until it got to like right here, because I think it might pull back. It might do a pump fake. But there's so much fucking money in this market, honestly, that I see overall going up. There's too much money for it not to go up. Way too much money for it not to go up. Movie average is going up. It's been averaging an upper echelon. So I think this trade is definitely a good trade just to go in right now, and then you're gonna see upward motion for sure. With this one right here, it's going down. Definitely oversold condition. However, I don't think that's necessarily a crazy bad thing. I think that this has gone down, but I think it's gonna get a push in a good way. Definitely oversold conditions. You see, that's my, I made like a fake little, what's it called? A fake little, floor, you know, so that, you know, you guys could, see me going into this trade. So I'm going to pause it here and hopefully get right to that floor. We'll see what happens. Right now, it's trying to do a psych out where essentially it's looking like there's a possible pump that's going to happen here. I don't know what's going to happen, but I have a feeling that it's going to be a fake out. It's going to come down past my, you know, the point that I want. So we're seeing like some buys come in right now, which is good. If it does start to hype up, then I'll buy right now. But I think I'm just gonna wait for this candle to continue to grow. Let's put in like 0.2 or something. 1.7, and then yeah, I'm waiting for that to go in. And then with this one here, this is interesting. Okay, so we have a downward. There's a lot of money in this one here though. So what's going on? So 133.9 million, $180,000. Definitely oversold conditions right now. Is it worth a buy-in though? Definitely think there's money to be made on this one right here for sure. There was a pump, it going down. I think it's a good time to buy out here. So this one's a good time to buy. This one, I don't think that. Yeah, I would go on this one. Let's go on this one. So we're gonna go in on a 0.18. Yeah, that's cool. Quick buy on that one. All right, let's quick buy that. Get in the market real quick. Am I in? All right, so 0.18. Let's get in. Quick buy. Shit, my shit's lagging like crazy. Let me just refresh the shit. I think I was able to get in, but I might be tripping. Am I in? Do I have a holding? Yeah, I'm in. I'm in top. Beautiful.
There he is.
Alright guys, we're back. Oh shit, let me get this air conditioner off real quick. So while I was back, what I expect, this shit fucking pumped like crazy. I'm up 45%. I'm gonna go ahead and sell this bad boy. Liked how that treated me. The market was right. Definitely sold it and made a good profit. So there we have it. That was Tom. We were able to profit literally at 43.28%. Literally everything that I talked about today transpired. There was no bullshit here. You can see these lines of resistance. I came in at a perfect angle. I told you guys I came in at a perfect angle. On top of that, like, let's look at this right now, guys. Like, literally when it came in, you could see things were kind of a little bit weary, but I could tell volume means everything in these things. And so when you have that, you have people that are super bullish, or you have them you know, devs trying to manipulate the system. Either way, the people that buy low are gonna fucking win. Always. That's just period. And so, you know, boom, I came in right there, got a 43% profit and was able to sell and make a pretty nice profit on that. So I'm up on that. So shit. With that being said, I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm simply just a guy on YouTube that is showing you guys literally things that I've learned, trying to dumb it down a little bit just so that niggas could really just understand. I'm gonna go ahead and roll up. I gotta make some moves. But in the meanwhile, guys, thank you guys for joining me today. Hopefully you learned something, if not nothing. And again, this is a dangerous market. Invest in shit wisely, guys. I'll talk to you soon. Have a wonderful, blessed day. Bye.